Oh my goodness, today's event has been wow for me. The speakers have been so knowledgeable of their own business. The Connect 52, just asking questions and being able to build a relationship with someone to let them know what your business is about and what theirs, just trying to get an understanding of what they're looking for. Just it's been really motivating for me and wowing.
Today, I really like today. It was very informative. It's a lot of information, a lot of notes. I have a lot of information to process. I really appreciated getting the Red to Black book and The Profit First. I've already even started reading The Profit First. It's a really good book. I would definitely come again. I'm thinking about next year now.
Today's event, this forum has been absolutely amazing. I am so full. I'm like even more knowledge than what I do doing the courses. They have poured so much into us. Just how do you do this? How do you do that? The marketing, the planning, the strategies. It's just like, oh my God. It's just like answered so many questions that are like, how am I going to do this? And they have broken it down, made it so simplistic. Like, you can do this, and we're here to help you do it too. So they're just pouring and pouring and pouring, and I am so full right now. It's just like, I can go write my marketing plan, how many clients I want, what I want to do, and run with it. And I am so happy and so grateful that I came.
Oh, wow. Today, what I enjoyed today about the seminar was all the great speakers. Oh my gosh, Chad, he was awesome. Erin, oh my gosh, I love her. I want to take her home with me and just pick her brain forever. But they are all great speakers, but those two stood out the most to me. I really learned so much today that I can't wait to go home and put it with my business to help myself build more and be better at what I do at helping my clients to build their businesses.
Today's event has been amazing, packed with a lot of good information that I will use to further my business, and I definitely felt like it was named appropriately as the launch.
This workshop to help you work on your business gives you the roadmap to get started with a clear understanding as to why you want to do what you're doing. There's been speakers that have been helpful to learn their experience. You get to see the action behind, you get to actually see what they teach in action. You get to build roadmaps for your future as far as where you want to be and the goal, and then meeting the people that you need to help you achieve that.
I plan on coming back years from now as well, because there may be new information that I can incorporate into my business.